Hello everyone. Today our topic is marketing of services in different sectors. The financial service industry in India has experienced massive change since the early 1990s. Even as the financial industry has undergone momentous structural change, financial service marketing has remained pretty much what it is always been. Financial service marketers are using old and but not always effective methods of acquiring and retaining customers and sales professionals. This is true both in consumer and institutional market, in traditional brick and mortar business like banks, and in cutting edge business like online brokerage. Some financial companies have attempted to update their method by applying lessons learned in more marketing oriented disciplines such as consumer products. But financial products are not consumer product. In fact, they are not product as at all in the way product marketing is usually described, nor are they altogether like services. Next topic, service marketing strategy for financial services. In India, it's a very potential in its roots and has diverse nature in providing services to customers. The major areas of financial services sectors are banking, insurance, and mutual fund services. Marketing strategy for different financial areas are different. Marketing strategy for banking sector. A bank is a financial institution that accepts deposit and channel the money into lending activities. Bank marketing refers to all functions needed to cater to the financial and other closely related needs of the customer, keeping in mind the organizational objective of customer delight. Banking is an industry that is built on trust. Customer deposit their money with a bank only if they trust the bank, and the bank gives loans to its customer only when it trusts them. Banks do business with customer money by accepting deposit from them and by giving loans on interest. For any bank to conduct business, initially it is the trust that matter, not the capital it owns. Bank marketing is the aggregate of function directed at providing service to satisfy customer financial needs and want more effectively and efficiently than the competitor, keeping in view the organizational objectives of the bank. The marketing concept is essentially about the following few things which contribute towards bank success. Number one, the bank cannot exist without the customer. Number two, the purpose of bank is to create, win, and keep a customer. Next, the starting point for organizational design should be the customer, and the bank should ensure the service is performed and delivered in the most effective way. Ultimate aim of the bank is to deliver total satisfaction to the customer. Customer satisfaction is affected by the performance of all the personnel of the bank. Market segmentation of banking services. First one, agricultural sector. In the agricultural sector, there are four categories since the needs of all categories cannot be identical. The mechanization of agriculture, the improved our scientific system of cultivation, help of nature, the magnitude of risk, the availability of infrastructural facilities influence the level of expectation, needs, and requirements. Coming to industrial sector, the banking organizations observe the interest of the industrial sector. The large size, small size cooperative and tiny industries use the service of banks. Then services sector. It is an important sector of the economy where the banking organization get profitable business. The two categories of organizations is profit making and not for profit making are found important in the very context. Then household sector. We find different segments of the household sector. The high income group, middle income group, low income group, subsistence level group and marginal income group have different hierarchy of needs which influence the level of their expectation. In the gender segment, we find male and female having different needs and requirements. The banking organizations are supposed to identify the level of expectation of both male and female. Then profession sector. The change in profession influences the hierarchy of needs. The technocrat, bureaucrat, corporate executive, intellect, white and blue collar employees have different needs and requirements, and therefore the banking organization should know their expectation. Last one, institutional sector. In this sector, we find different categories of organization. Some of the organizations are known as cultural organization. Some of them are charitable, some of them are industrial, some of them are not profit making, some of them are philanthropic, and some of them are related to trade and commerce. I hope you all understand what are all the topics explained today. We shall see another topics in the next video. Thank you.